The National Election Commission has announced the date of assembly polls of 5 states of the country, namely Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Telangana. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar announced the polling day.
Assembly election is about to be held in the coming days in 5 states of the country. The National Election Commission has announced the date of assembly polls of 5 states of the country. Upcoming assembly election in these 5 states: Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar announced the polling day. The voting will start from November 7. First voting poll will start in Mizoram and the polling will end in 5 states by December 1st. The last polling is in Telangana, which is on November 30. The process of submission of nomination will start from the end of October. Also, a by-election to an assembly seat in Nagaland will be held on November 7th.
Now, to start with from the Mizoram, the date of poll will be 7th November and date of counting would be 3rd, which is common of course for all these states, and elections in all these states would be completed by 5th of December. So date of poll is 7th November. Similarly, in case of Chhattisgarh, the elections would be in 2 phases. The date of poll would be 7th November and 17th November. The nominations after Mizoram for the first phase of the Chhattisgarh would happen on 20th, the 13th, and the last date would be 20th. Date of poll being 7th November, and for phase 2, 17th November. In Madhya Pradesh, this coincides with the second phase of Chhattisgarh, and date of poll would be 7th November. So, first Mizoram and the first phase of Chhattisgarh, then second phase of Chhattisgarh and one phase in Madhya Pradesh. Thereafter, Rajasthan, where the date of poll will be 23rd November in one phase entirely in Rajasthan. The date of issue of Gazette notification would be 30th October and date of counting for everyone being 3rd of December. Telangana would go last to the poll and date of poll is 30th November with the date of issue of Gazette notification being 3rd of November. And the entire election process would be complete by 5th of December. So this is what is the schedule.
According to the Election Commission, 8.2 crore male and 7.8 crore female voters will vote in 5 states. Among them, more than 60 lakh voters will vote for the first time. A total of 1.77 lakh polling booths will be arranged in 5 states, said Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.